Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends. On this occasion, we are from Group 1, consisting of me, Harbisa Matematika,
Me, Cecilia Yovinarta Mevia.
And me, Yosua Bintang Satria Utama.
from Class 4B Railway Study Program, Madiun State Polytechnic. In this video, we will explain the project of applying microcontrollers to motors to fulfill the assignment of the microprocessor and microcontroller course with the lecturer Mr. Wahyu Pribadi, where in this project we will simulate by design a microcontroller circuit on a motor using Proteus software. Then we will also create a program using the Arduino IDE software, which will later be input in Arduino on the motor circuit design that has been made.
Control the motor with alternating direction using Arduino. Control of alternating motor motion direction can be done with the use of relay. Relay are electronic components used to control the flow of electric current. In motor control system, relay are used to regulate the direction of rotation of the motor.
In this simulation, we use several components. Including the following main components. Number 1, Arduino Uno, which is a microcontroller development board that is popular in the world of electronics and programming. Number 2, relay, an electric switch or switch operated using electricity, which consists of two main parts, namely coil or electromagnet and switch or mechanical contacts, where the relay function to help control the direction of motion of the motor back and forth by regulating the required electric current. 3. DC motor. DC motor is a type of electric motor that uses electric current to drive its threaded wheels. The DC motor consists of a set of poles separated by sheets, and the electric current passed through the sheet will conduct electric current to the poles, which will move the thread wheels. Number 4, transistors. As an amplifier, as a circuit breaker and current connector, voltage stabilization, and signal modulation.
Number 5, resistor. Electronic component use the reduce or regulate the flow of electric current flowing through certain path in a circuit. 6. 24-volt battery as a voltage source. 7. Optocoupler stabilizer the voltage issued from the power supply. 8. LED used as a indicator light. Switch. The switch is a tool that serves to connect and disconnect the electric current from the voltage source to the load. Pass button. Pass button is a pass switch that functions as a breaker or connector of electric current from the current source to the electrical load.
Work step number 1. After determining the component to be used, the next step is to design the circuit according to the component we have determined in the Proteus software. Number 2. After making the circuit in the Proteus software, then we will create a program that will be input to the Arduino component so that when the circuit is simulated, it can match the digits we want. The first step is to create an integer format. This integer format is used to store the pin value in the Proteus software. For its setup, this section of code along with the declaration section is run only once. We will use it to determine the output and input pins. The Arduino to understand which pin will feed data and which pin will be used to read data. Digital write, the part of the code run in a loop consistently and is used to read the main part of the code. In the section we equate to the time chart we create at the beginning of the video with a predetermined delay for the duration of the GW loop 1.5 seconds and the GW loop 2 seconds.
3. And then after finishing making the program on the Arduino, we run the program. If successfully, then copy it at the bottom in .hex format. Number 4. Next, input the results of the running program with the .hex format that we have copied to Arduino in the circuit that we have made. Number 5. Then simulate the motor motion control in the Proteus software.
After the simulate is carried out in the Proteus software, a time chart can be made from the data generated in the simulation according of the predetermined time delay. That's all we can cover in this video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.